Nagsimula sa simpleng online charity idea noong pandemic. Ngayon, may higit 400,000 members na ang Declutter Manila, isang Facebook group na binuo ng mag-asawang sina Elaine at Franco Padilla mula sa Marikina City. Sa online community na ito, libre lang ang pagbigay at pagtanggap ng mga gamit. Kadalasan, second-hand o pre-love items ang binabahagi ng donors, tulad ng baby clothes, furniture, books at kung ano-ano pa. Ayon kay Elaine, nagsimula ito noong ipinamigay niya ang mga damit ng kanilang anak.
Diba yung babies, madali nilang kalakihan yung mga things nila, especially the clothes. Initially, I was selling it online and some of them I would give away. And then, since it was the pandemic, my husband would tell me, kasi marami nawalan ng work, and yung ibang tao, they really needed help. So sabi niya, why don't we create a group?
Habang tumatagal, palaki na ng palaki ang online community na sinimulan nila. Noon, nagsilbi lang ito bilang platform para sa pamimigay ng mga gamit ng mag-asawa. Pero ngayon, libo-libong miyembro na ang nakikibahagi rito.
The first item that I gave were my clothes. Since I can still remember, yung nag-mine nun is a mom. Sabi niya, sobrang hindi niya mabilhan ng damit yung anak niya during the pandemic because those were hard times, diba? They were very happy. They can't stop thanking me for it. So I didn't realize na minsan pala yung hindi na natin na susuot or nagagamit, sobrang malaking joy pa pala yun for other people.
Pero habang lumalaki ang online group, dumarami rin ang responsibilities na Elaine at Franco bilang admins. Dahil volunteer run lang ang group at wala silang sapat na resources para i-monitor at i-verify ang bawat transaction, nagpaalala si Elaine ng ilang importanteng panuntunan. Para mapanatili ang safety ng bawat isa, bawal ang pamimigay ng gamot o hayop. Dinidiscourage din ang panghingi ng donations via private message sa donors. At pinaka-importante, bawal ang magbenta. Layunin ng group creators na panatilihin ito bilang platform ng pagbibigayan. Bukod sa pamamahagi ng mga gamit, naging daan din ng Declutter Manila para sa pagpapalitan ng mga advice, lalo na para sa mga gustong kumita o magkaroon ng hanap buhay.
We also want to empower people and give them the dignity so they can also earn on their own. I think this Declutter Manila was an accidental ministry for me and my husband. We did not intend it to grow this much, but we are grateful for everyone who tirelessly give what they have. What I learned is, despite of the challenges that we see happening ngayon sa mundo or even sa bansa natin, there are still a lot of kind-hearted people who would want to help and share and be generous.
Simula nang sumikat ang Declutter Manila, napansin ni Elaine na dumami na rin ang Facebook communities na may parehong initiative. Isang bagay na talagang ikinatuwa niya.
Everyone is welcome to join Declutter Manila, and I've seen naman may ibang groups din na create sa FB na similar to ours, and that's okay with us kasi that means nakaka-inspire din kami and mas maraming tao na tutulungan. You're very much welcome to join Declutter Manila, and I hope in times na when life is hard or life is tough, you can find some glimmer of hope even through this platform.